TextBlaze helps you eliminate repetitive typing and mistakes anywhere, and align on a shared language across the team. But TextBlaze can also give you all the tools you need to streamline and standardize your work. In this video, we'll provide a quick overview of TextBlaze functionality, including customizing your snippets with relevant data, controlling the output of the snippet, and automating actions beyond typing. Your message often needs to be customized by incorporating relevant information. This can be done using form fields or placeholders, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, date selectors, and toggles, which allow for human intervention and decision-making in real time. TextBlaze can also automatically read and use data from a wide range of sources, such as the current web page or any open web page, Datablaze, a text-based spreadsheet feature, or by integrating with and reading data from any other app. Data captured by TextBlaze can be used verbatim, like adding the recipient name, or it can be used to control the behavior and output of the snippet using business logic and calculations. Rules can be used to automatically determine the behavior and output of the snippet based on predefined conditions. Nested rules can be used to implement decision trees that lead you to the correct answer. Or they can be used to avoid mistakes by showing error messages when needed. Formulas can be used to manipulate text, calculate dates, perform real-time math, or perform any data analysis and manipulation, and even present dynamic graphs. After reading data and applying your business logic, the text generated by your snippet is exactly what you needed. But your work may also require more actions. On top of typing text, text-based snippets can write back information to Datablaze tables or to any other app using integration. Snippets can also automate in-page workflows by moving around the page and performing actions such as clicking, selecting, and typing text. TextBlaze allows you to build the tools you need to streamline your work at your own pace and without changing your tool stack or requiring engineering capacity. To learn more, try our documentation, example gallery, or user community. Or simply reach out to us via email. We're always happy to help you get the most out of TextBlaze. Enjoy!